Hello and welcome to Educational Wisdom YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve the English language questions of 5th Scholarship Exam 2020. Remember, this video is for the students of English medium schools and this is part 2. Link of the part 1 is given in the description. If you haven't seen that video yet, you can watch it from there. So let's begin. Instructions for question number 14 and question 15 are given here. Read the advertisement below and choose the correct option. So this is advertisement. We will not read it first. We will first read the question, then we will read it. So question 14 is, the above advertisement is for dash. For dash. For what? So look here, available on rent, fully furnished 3-bedroom flat in Dwarka. So this advertisement is about the flat and giving the flat on rent. So let us see the options. This is about selling the house, no. Reconstructing the house, no. Mortgaging the house, no. Renting the house, yes. Option number 4 is the answer of this question. This advertisement is about renting the house. Next question, question 15, same advertisement is given for this question. How many bedrooms the flat have in the above mentioned advertisement? How many bedrooms are there? The answer to this question is also in the headline. It is very simple, no need to read all the advertisement. If you read the advertisement, you will waste your time. So 3-bedroom flat in Dwarka. This flat has 3 bedrooms. Now let us see where number 3 is given in the options. Students make one mistake here. The answer of this question is 3 and they start marking 3 as an answer. Option number 3 as an answer, but no, option number 3 is not the answer. Our answer is number 3. We have to find where number 3 is written. It is written in the option number 2. So option number 2 is the answer of this question. Let's move on. Question 16. Choose one alternative. Fill in the blank with correct word. Let's read. When I went outside early in the morning, the dash on the grass made my shoes wet. What was the thing on the grass which made the shoes wet? Do you go outside in the morning? If you go outside, you will feel the wetness on the leaves, on the grass. We can see it every day, and that thing is called as dew. If you see, there are 2 dews in the options, option number 2 and 3, but I have written the correct spelling of dew here, that is in the option number 3. This is the answer. Question 17. Choose one alternative. Sita said that she liked to combine both the instrumental and vocal music. That means she wanted to become. Sita likes to combine instrumental music and vocal music. She wanted to become what? Reporter? No. The job of reporter does not have anything linked with music. Editor? It is also not linked with music. Now the 2 options remain, music composer and singer. Listen, instrumental music does not have anything in relation with singer. Instrumental music and vocal music, this is the job of music composer. So Sita wants to become music composer, option number 3. Instructions for question number 18 and 19. Read the poem and choose one correct alternative. I'll read the poem fast. Our life is like a thorny rose, not perfect but beautiful. The thorny rose represents the hardships, while petals represent fun and beautiful things. As a young rose is hugging round the seeds, we are protected around family and friends. Question 18 is here. If thorn, hardships. So this mark of colon represents the relation. If the relation between, what is the relation between thorn and hardships? the same relation will be there between petals and our answer. Look here in the poem. Thorny rose represents the hardships. Thorny rose represents the hardships. Now what do the petals represent? It is given in the next line. Petals represent fun and beautiful things. Where is it written in the options? It is written in option number 1. This is the answer. Question 19, same poem is there. What is the question? In the above poem, life is compared with dash. Like is compared with what? Look here. Comparison is made using the word like. Our life is like a thorny rose. Life is compared with thorny rose. Where it is in the options? Option number 4. This is very simple question paper, I think. Choose one correct alternative of underlined word. A sentence is given and there is one word which is underlined, and we have to find the word related to this underlined word. What is underlined word? PhD. What is given in the options? There are long forms of the short forms in the options. So we have to find what is the long form of PhD. This is general knowledge question. The long form of PhD is Doctor of Philosophy. It is given in option number 1. This question has nothing to do with English language. This is general knowledge question. Question 21. Choose one alternative. How many non-English words are there in the following sentence? Non-English words. Let's count. I will read and I will also count the non-English words. While having tiffin in the veranda. This veranda is non-English word. Of my home, I spilled bhaji on my sari. Bhaji is non-English. Sari is also non-English. And had to go to Gymkhana. Gymkhana I think is also non-English word, because this khana, this word is non-English. In same attire. Sentence is completed. How many non-English words are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So where is number 4? It is given in option number 2. This is our answer. Question 22. Choose one alternative to complete the sentence. Look at the map. Dash, you will get lost. This question is about conjunctions. You have to learn parts of speech and particularly conjunction if you want to solve these types of questions. What is conjunction? I have already made the video on my channel. I will provide the link of the video to learn conjunctions in the description box below. You can click that link and watch that video to learn conjunctions. So here look at the map. Otherwise you will get lost. Otherwise this conjunction will be there. Option number 2. Watch the video of conjunction from the description. Choose one correct alternative. How many articles are there in the given sentence? First of all, we must know what is article. How many articles are there? There are 3 articles: a, an and the. How many of these three words are used in this sentence? I saw an owl on the tree. How many articles are there? 2 articles. Where is it written? It is written in option number 3. So this is answer. Next question 24. Instruction for question number 24 and 25. Read the letter and choose one alternative. I'll read the letter first. Dear Manoj, we both have holiday next Monday. What do you say? Shall we go for one day picnic to Moshi? We can start early at 6 AM in my car. It would be a change from this heat down here. If you agree, I will arrange the picnic. Let me know about the confirmation. Please bring your camera with you. Yours, Harsh. So question is, the letter is about dash. What is the letter about? It is about arrange picnic, taking photograph, going to school, or asking about health. It is very simple, very simple. It is about arranging picnic, option number 1. Last question of this video. Name the persons who have holiday. Who have the holiday? Look here. We both have holiday next Monday. Both means the writer, the sender of the letter and receiver of the letter. Both the people have holidays. What are their names? The writer or sender is Manoj and receiver is Harsh. Did I say correct? No. Writer is Harsh and Manoj is receiver. Both these persons have holiday. Where is it written in the options? Option number 2, this is the answer. So this is it. I think you are understanding the concepts. You are getting benefit out of this video, and this video, these types of videos will, I think, will help you in preparing for the exam. And if this is true, like this video and share it to your friends so that they will also get benefit out of it.